Okay, you guys, I know it's been a while. I have not been on YouTube for a very long time. But this package is from Not Polish. It's from December. I actually got it as a gift. Somebody ordered it for me, and I just never opened it. Like, I wasn't in the mood. Wasn't really, I don't know, y'all. I just been so slack on YouTube, but I made sure that I waited to open this. This is the advent calendar, and it's also a mystery box. I think a small mystery box. So I'm gonna unbox the small mystery box, and then I'll make another video of the advent calendar. Or maybe I should do the advent calendar first. I don't know, but I just wanted to unbox it with you guys. And this is how it all came. How cute is the advent calendar though? Can y'all see it? Hold on, let me. How cute is that? So I don't really know which one I'm gonna do. I kind of look raggedy right now, so I don't know if I want to do the advent calendar. I kind of want to look decent for when I do the advent calendar, but yeah, let's just hop into it. Okay, y'all, so we're just gonna go ahead and unbox the mystery box first. I know y'all have seen, this is so old. Like, I know this video is way overdue. I mean, months overdue. If y'all don't know, the mystery boxes come out in, I think, November, right before Christmas. I ordered this one. It was after Thanksgiving, after, I'm pretty sure I got it on the 24th. I got it on the 24th of December, and it's just honestly been sitting. Like I said, it was a gift from somebody, so I don't know. I just wanted it to have it. They asked me what I wanted, and this is what I picked. So this and the advent calendar. But I knew that I wanted to unbox it for YouTube, even though we pretty much already know what comes in the mystery boxes. I still wanted to go ahead and unbox it. And this is just another way for me to update y'all on some new life things. But I'm going to get to that in a second when I'm probably like using the products, because I don't really want to talk over the unboxing part. Okay, so I know I unboxed this wrong. I don't know what was going on, but we're just going to go through it really quickly. I'm actually going to take this out of the picture, but this is how the box came, and super cute. I love these little foam, what do you call them? I don't know. Oh my gosh, y'all. I literally just ordered some files, but I need 88 grit files too. So anyway, I'm going to unbox this really quickly. I'm going to take this out the picture, and we'll just go one by one. Okay, so the first thing we have are C-curve straight coffin tips. I do not use C-curve tips. I already knew that these were going to come in the box. So I was pretty prepared to get stuff that I didn't want. I don't use C-curve tips. Like, there's nothing in me that wants to use C-curve tips. I just don't like them. So I always put stuff like this to the side. When I do my 10K giveaway, whoever wants C-curve tips, you're gonna have a lot of them, because I never use them. I keep them all bagged up. So that's the first thing that came in this box. I did get some polishes, lacquer, whatever they call it. These are gel colors and just regular nail polish. I will swatch these really quickly for you guys just so you can see. I don't have too many yellows, and I don't know if I've had this already. Ocean View. I don't think I have, but I think I wanted this acrylic powder, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know, but we're going to go ahead and swatch these really quickly just so you guys can see exactly how they look on the nail. All right, and then I also got some glosses. I actually don't think I've ever had Not Polish's top coat. So this is crazy, but this is my first time ever having their top coat, and I'm not mad about it. I need some more top coat. Like, I have tons, but I don't know. You just know, like, it's nothing like a fresh batch or a fresh bottle of top coat. Like, this has been my favorite so far, you guys. Like, this has been my favorite top coat, but I'm pretty much out of this. I do like iGel Beauty's top coat as well, pretty much out of that. And you know, sometimes like you get little specks of different stuff or dust in your bottles of, you know, glossy nail polish, so it's always good to have a new one. Then this is a gel liner. I'm guessing it's black, which is a good shade to have. I've seen in other people's videos that the thing was messed up though. Oh, this is thick. Oh, she thick. Oh yeah, this is super thick. This is a really good, I can tell this is going to be really good, and it's super thin. For, you know how this part drips a lot of the time? It's not dripping at all. Thank God. I hate that. That is so annoying. But yeah, I've always heard that their gel liners, Not Polished gel liners, are like bomb. So I'm happy to have this. I've never had a gel liner from them either, I don't think. So I'm definitely gonna be using this. I always need black and white. More so white. I usually need more white than black. I feel like I use more white than black because I do a lot of French tip, but it's okay. We'll work with it. Then we just got some files. I'm pretty sure these are 100 grit. It does, yeah, 100 grit files. I don't mind 100 grit files. I prefer 80 grit, but I will use like 100 grit on, you know, like almond shaped nails or something like that. Then we got some chrome. Y'all, let me tell y'all about chrome, okay? I love the way chrome looks, but I am just not a fan of using it anymore. I just feel like it is so messy, y'all. Like, chrome is so messy unless you're doing a full nail of chrome. Anything else, it just doesn't work for me for some reason. Like, I don't know what it is, but chrome is just not my friend. So I tried to get away from using chrome. Ooh, this is really pretty though. I don't know if y'all can see on camera like the shimmer. I don't think you can. Yeah, I don't think it's giving what I'm seeing in person. Let's see. No, that was a bad example. Oh no, hold on. Yeah, see, this is what it looks like. Really pretty. I don't know when I would use a color like this though. That's what it looks like. Super cute. Then put some gloss top over top of it. That is a nice chrome though. That's a nice chrome. I'll give them that. But I'm not a big fan of the color. It's giving Christmas. But I mean, it did come out during Christmas, so the box. All right, so we got that. And these are the color acrylics that I got, you guys. I'm not going to do swatches of these just because how many times have we seen these? These are really basic colors. I got black, I got white. I never use white, so I don't even know what I'm going to do with this. This will probably go in my, I'll probably put this in the 10K giveaway box. So that's where this will be going, because I promise you, I never use white acrylic, like ever. There's never a time where I use white acrylic. I can't even think of one. But these two, black acrylic, I don't have any black acrylic except for from iGel Beauty. And theirs is okay, but their formula is like kind of tacky, sticky, like, if you know, you know. But so I'm glad to have this, even though I won't use it often. I don't really use colored acrylic anymore. But I also got New Panther. I already have New Panther. I think I have like 2 of them, but it's always good to have just in case you need like a nude base. I typically use pink bases, so I would have been a little more happy to have like a pink or even a milky white. I really would have preferred to have a milky white in this box, but it's okay. I already have milky white, and honestly, I don't need any more acrylics anyway. I have tons of acrylics, so I'm not too hype about, you know, getting colored acrylics or anything like that. I pretty much use the same acrylic powders all the time now. They're my go-to for, you know, like the base, and I just do a lot of artwork over top of them now. But yeah, y'all, that concludes this video. I just wanted to show you guys everything that came in the box, and that was everything that came in it. This was a small mystery box from 2023. but I know I'm super late, you guys. But these acrylics right here will definitely be given away in my 10K giveaway. We are almost there. I am like 500 subscribers away from 10K. Super exciting, but I hope to see you all in the next video. I love y'all so much. Mwah. Bye.